Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall LangChain local environment, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall LangChain from your local environment, start by opening your command line interface. If you are using Windows, you can access the command prompt or PowerShell. For macOS or Linux users, open the terminal application. Next, you need to identify the package manager you used to install LangChain. If you used pip, type the command pip uninstall LangChain. Press enter to execute the command. You will see a prompt asking for confirmation to uninstall LangChain. Type Y for yes and then press enter again. If you installed LangChain using conda, the command will be different. Type conda remove LangChain in your command line. Press enter to run the command. You will also be prompted to confirm the uninstallation. Type Y and hit enter. After confirming, the process will begin to remove LangChain from your environment. Once the uninstallation completes, it's a good idea to verify that LangChain has been removed. You can do this by running the command piplist if you used pip. Alternatively, if you used conda, type conda list. Check to see if LangChain is still listed among the installed packages. If it is not listed, you have successfully uninstalled LangChain from your local environment. Make sure to clean up any related files or configurations if necessary. Finally, close your command line interface to finish the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.